Peace and blessings, loved ones. This is Steve with another episode of How to Manifest Anything Using Law of Attraction. So, in this episode, and by the way, this podcast is basically where we talk about how to manifest anything and everything that you desire using Law of Attraction. And I also take you on a journey as I help you as well as other people with manifesting and attracting the things that you want into your reality. In this episode, I wanted to talk about a simple free video tutorial that will take you through the necessary steps that you have to learn in order to manifest anything that you desire. These are the 3 steps that I actually learned and use, and they've been effective for me, and they're how I was able to go from a negative bank account of $426 and being on the verge of eviction all the way to manifesting a better job, a better car, and being able to hit the different goals that I had set for myself. So I'll tell you a quick story. Basically, I created this because when I was really getting into law of attraction and trying to study and learn about it, the only thing that I had was the movie The Secret and the different speakers within that movie. And at first, I was not getting the results that I wanted from what I learned from the movie alone. So what I did was I went back and I started studying in each individual teacher and speaker in the movie, like Joe Vitale, Lisa Nichols, Bob Proctor, Abraham Hicks. There was a bunch of them. Excuse me. And what I did was I went through each of their teachings, and once I figured out what I was doing wrong and I corrected it and fixed it, that's when I started having and getting results with law of attraction, and I really started to manifest the things that I was trying to manifest. And it really all boiled down to 3 simple steps or 3 simple secrets. And what I wanted to do is, because I know a lot of people have probably been doing the same exact thing, and I've been doing searching for a simple solution for learning how to attract what you want using law of attraction and manifest it without the hassle of taking trips and going to like seminars and spending like $5,000, $1,500 on study courses and stuff like that. What I did was just created a free tutorial video where it lays out the 3 things that I do, and once you learn what those 3 things are, then you can take that and then go and study each secret or study each step on your own in order to get your own understanding and start applying it to your life. So the name or I was working on this for a while. Now it's finally available, but the website that you go to is very simple: www.learnhowtomanifest.org. So that's learnhowtomanifest.org. Learnhowtomanifest.org. And when you go there, you'll be able to grab that video and go through it, and you'll be able to see the 3 main steps that I'm following that have been working for me for a few years now. So I just wanted to make sure that I release that information for everybody, so you can go to that website and get started with that. I've also got a full course where I go in depth with each individual secret as well, that you can get access to. But you can start with that free video in order to start learning what I learned and start applying this stuff to your life. So hope you got some value from this. If you did, go ahead, like, share, give me a good rating. Again, that website is learnhowtomanifest.org. Okay, learnhowtomanifest.org. Go there, get the video, and hopefully it'll be a same blessing that it has been to me. All right. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. God bless. And always remember, you can be, you can do, and you can have anything that you want in this reality. All you have to do is believe. Okay? Take care. God bless. And bye for now.